You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word. This is also a name, a surname, including in Chinese and Vietnamese. But let's hear the English pronunciation. If you want to learn more confusing vocabulary, stay tuned, I've got more videos for you. Tan, the British English pronunciation, tan. The Americans usually pronounce it more as tan. In Chinese, it's pronounced tan. How to pronounce tan. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.